world.
In my heart I give you praise. Oh, I find joy in the presence of you, Lord.
I accept